Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. And today for my nail friends on my channel, I have a Shein nail accessory haul, nail charm haul, nail sticker haul, whatever you want to call it, nail haul. So it's just a little bag. I already opened it up, so I'm just gonna start pulling things out. I got a minute of quiet to myself, so I figured I'd try to do this real quick. So I believe these are decals, like water decals, which I was under the impression when I bought them they were stickers. Sorry, my window's open. It's 80 degrees, so you might hear motorcycles and cars. I thought these were stickers, but they're water decals. I don't usually use water decals. They're just too finicky for me. But maybe I'll find use for them. But they are ocean themed. I picked up a lot of ocean themed stuff in this Shein haul. I just got this idea in my mind to do some mermaidy ocean themed nails. And I have a plan. I ordered all the supplies to make them. I'm waiting for them all to come in. So some of the supplies are from Temu and some of them are from Shein. But I also picked up these stickers. These are like kind of 3D, 4D, whatever you want to call them. They're a little raised. I thought these were really pretty and girly. Picked up some nail foil. Is there multiple? I think there's multiple ones in here. Oh, do I want to go opening this up? They have it so neat in here. Here, I'm just going to take it halfway out. Now that I'm trying to really get on my nail foil game. I'm really trying to succeed at becoming a boss at doing nail foils. I tried to do them when I was doing this set. Before this set became this set, I was going to do nail foils instead, and it just, I don't know if I was just sitting in the chair too long and I was getting tired. They just weren't coming out my way, so I gave up on them and I came up with this set instead. And yes, these are shorter. I did clip them down after pictures. Ooh, look at this one. This one's pretty. And that's it. I'm gonna try to throw these back right where they came. It's just so much neater and contained in the packet. Some more nail foils. Girl, when I tell you I've become obsessed with nail foil. After I had that one good set that I did good with nail foils, now I'm obsessed, and I just want to keep practicing and trying to do nail foil. These are kind of space galaxy marble. Yeah, see, these would make some cute outer space nails. I've done outer space nails before, but I had to do everything down to the gel paint. I figured a nail foil, look at the constellation. I figure a nail foil would make the process a smidge quicker, because I do put a lot of charms on when I do outer space nails. Sorry, am I not in the camera? This is a big pack. I like when they come in the boxes better. There's a lot in this pack though. I didn't even realize that. I just bought them. And they're very staticky. These would make some nice galaxy nails. These two. Look, this too. How beautiful. That's the last one. Oh, don't break, don't break, don't break. Just go right back in the bag. Some nail stickers. I'll take these out of the pack because they go in a photo album anyway. Some 3D coffees and envelopes and paws and donuts and cakes. How cute are these? To do some dessert nails? Yes. They even have like the frosting drip. Okay, so here we go with some more ocean themed stuff. I'm not gonna take them out. You can see them because I'd rather keep them in the bag for now, because until I ordered some more organizers. I have some room in some boxes, but these are little dangles. I have to play around with it, but I have to figure out if it's the shell you glue on and the star you let dangle, or it's the star you glue on. I think the shell would be a little too weighted to let that dangle. I'd probably let the star dangle. But yeah, there's a little pack of those for ocean nails. I bought these charms, thinking there was something more to them, but I think they're cute, but I'm not in love with them. They're like a cluster. It's a star with pearls. Here, this glare. I'm gonna have no choice but to take them out. It's like a star, a crystal star with a cluster of pearls attached. It's one piece, so you just glue it on just like that. I love clusters. I think they're just very convenient. I also got some of these for ocean nails and other nails. The little like aurora bubbles. Figured these would look really pretty with mermaid nails. They got the little tiny ones and they got the big. They're mixed with some big and medium ones, which is perfect. Most of the ones I've been finding are all tiny, and I don't want all tiny ones. Here's another sticker set. This set came with tweezers and one of these. I'll probably throw the tweezers away. They're plastic. It came with one of these. This would be good for foils. Got some more ocean themed stickers. These have seahorses and whales on them and fish. Some coral, some seashells, anchors. Every time I think that I have every sticker that is ocean related, I find another one. I like using stickers because they are easy. It's like an easy decoration. It's like a 1, 2, 3 deal. Get your tweezers out and just decorate with stickers. These are like unicorns and rainbows. Thought these were really cutesy and girly. Maybe on some baby pink nails. I got these foils, which I'm going to take them out of the plastic, but I'm not going to take them out of the box. I got lucky to get them in the box. These are pretty. These are like ombre foils. Really, really pretty. Those would be perfect for summertime, most definitely. Sorry, y'all, I got a phone call. So I had to stop the video. But where we left off, we got some more foils. These are like a half a roll, almost like shorter. And it's such a cute little set. I just love the flower foils because they come out so well. Pretty. I gotta unroll them because once you start unrolling them, they're hard to get back in. Okay. We got some cheat. Now, I'm a girly girl and I love my animal print, and I thought this box was very fitting for me. I got these cheetah print, leopard print, whatever you want to call it, animal print foils. I also got these. All very beautiful in their own way, you guys. I'm going to have to try every single one. Some more iridescent, I call these bubbles. Iridescent bubbles. I'm going to use these on my ocean set. Or maybe on a set like this. These would be perfect for something like this. Some more ocean stickers. Oh, there's a 2-pack in here. So we have some jellyfish. Sorry if you can't see them. They're very lightly colored. And then we have some seashells, some waves, like foamy wave, and some starfish and seahorses. These are cute. I got some 3D seashell nail charms. Iridescent pastel colors. Really pretty. I tell you guys, I have a plan for some mermaid ocean nails. Some more foils. Let's just try to go shuffle through them quick. It's like stones. I wanted ones with like an argyle print like this. I wanted to do some nails like that. And that's it. Oh, I got these for some dessert nails. Some 3D donut charms. How cute. I'd put them on top of my nail, but my nails are loaded, you guys. I'm sorry. Some more seashells and seahorses. See, every time I thought I found everything that they had out there, I find more. So I have to get all the ocean nail stuff. Summer's coming, guys. It's beach season soon. Here's some more stickers. These are more pastries, ice cream, donuts, cupcakes, stickers. These are some pastel ocean. Oh no, got stuck to my sticker. Oh no. I got messed up. Mermaids on this one. Then I had an idea of doing some alien themed nails. So I found some alien stickers. Like, can you imagine either black or some lime green nails with some alien stickers on it? And look, they even give you the just the face, so you can paint one whole nail lime green and just put the face on. So your nail would be like the alien, essentially. And I love that they have the astronauts. Cute. Y'all gonna kill me with the ocean stuff. Once I get an idea of what I want to do as a set, I just start buying supplies. Seashells, pastel neon seashells, stickers. Bought this. I'm gonna leave them in the bag. Mixed pearls and flowers and stars and bows. Little charms, pink charms. If I can get these open, you guys. These seashells and jellyfish are purple, iridescent, and reds and pinks. I love these, actually probably more than the blue and white ones. Foils. These are, I think, hologram ones. I haven't tried any hologram ones out yet. I love the idea of foils, you guys. It's like, instead of having to paint your nails with many coats of polish, you just stick on a foil and it's like a one-shot deal. You're done. You don't even have, some of them are so decorated with the patterns, you honestly don't even need to put nail charms and diamonds on, unless you're that glitzy type of girl and you want all that extra. Oh, these are pretty. I can't wait to open these up. This is different than ocean, you guys. Look at these mosaic patterns, I guess. Tiles. Stickers. These are like 3D gummy dessert stickers. They're like kind of see-through. I don't know what kind of nail color I'd have to do. Maybe white background to get them to show up good. Some more ocean. And we have one more thing. And I got an extra box because the box wasn't that big of the bubbles, the iridescent bubbles. So an extra of those. So you guys, that's it. It's just a mini haul. Lots of ocean and dessert stuff, and foils, of course, because I'm really trying to perfect my foil game, you guys. So I will be having a Temu nail haul. I did buy some more stuff from Shein. So look out for those whenever I receive my stuff. Maybe at the end of the month, maybe in another week or two. Hopefully I get my packages. It's like Christmas. So I hope you enjoyed seeing what I got from Shein. I still think they're pretty fairly priced. Some of their prices went up, but not too bad. I still think they're very affordable. If you are starting out your nail collection and you want some charm stickers and foils and rhinestones, I think they're a really good place to find your stuff. They have really cute stuff, and they really keep up with trends, so they have nice stuff to purchase. So if you like today's content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. And if you're returning, thank you for coming back and joining me in today's video. And without further ado, I hope you have a wonderful week and a wonderful day or night wherever you guys are. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.